Hello everyone. So today we're doing our unboxing videos. Unboxing haul for our hairs that just arrived here. So it's so heavy. Wow. Then at the end of this video I'll tell you how much hair this is. Yes, so many dropping my contacts, so I'll be dropping Supplier's contacts back to back. So I don't know where it will be on the video, so anybody to watch till the end. I'll be dropping both China contacts, both Vietnam contacts. Yes, so let's do the unboxing video. Now I want to talk about hairs. Hairs has different types. We have blend. You know, now synthetic not the really again. We have human hair blend and we have human hair. You understand me? So when you're talking about hairs now, it depends on what you want, and all of them have their own grades. Someone treated me and said Vietnam hairs are finer than China hair, and I said, are you for real? I don't think so. I don't know, Sha, but all of them have good hairs depending on the supplier you're getting from. The supplier getting from the, and so the supplier. And another thing I'll tell you, if you want to buy, especially wig, don't buy wig from 1688 unless they'll give you sponge. Yes, but wigs, yes, you can get from Pindodo. And if it's wigs, you can get hairs from Pindodo and they'll come out nice, right? But on 1688, don't even try it. I remember the last time I brought from 1688, Jesus, it came and it was sponge. I could not even, I'm not joking, I dashed them out. I dashed them out because I could not sell them. We said, so I had to dash them out to teenagers, this growing kids, so adolescent teenagers that don't even know what hair is. If they're on, they can just hear it. So it's very important to have a good supplier. Have a good supplier. Now, when you have a good supplier, the next thing is to chat the supplier up and be following. If the supplier is on WeChat, you follow the movements of the supplier. Supplier is on WeChat, follow the movements of the supplier. The supplier is on WhatsApp, you follow the WhatsApp. See that? So that's what you do. Alright. So you just keep following up to know the type you want. But if it's about legit, the suppliers I'm giving you are legit suppliers. Yes, I don't give. Don't say yes before I even proceed. Thank you guys. The exchangers I gave on this platform, they called me and they were like thanking. I said, Jenny, see you, God bless you. So many persons have set me up. I'm buying, they bought from them. Some even bought millions, some bought. I said, thank God. What I do is to, drop legit things. Then you guys can go and buy. Yes, I don't drop rubbish contact on my channel. So I'll also be dropping how this hair looks like on the screen. I'll be dropping how it looks like on the screen. Right? Wow, this is lovely. Oh my God. You can see the texture. The texture, Let's see now. See voice. God. Hey. See texture. Hey. We never no oil to see. I don't know if my camera is making justice with this. Okay, I'm dropping how the hair looks like on the comment section. It's on the screen. Please write how much you think this hair worth. The worth of this hair. Alright. See another one. It's still the same. See. Wow. Okay, I'm dropping it on the screen. This is the same type of hair. See. Okay. Wow. Look at this one. That's 100% human hair. They say rubbish. This is fine. This is fine. These are people's hair. Oh. Yes, before I forget, I also run a periodically. So on hairs, we also have group for Vietnam, so for hairs, and our media promo, our media sales will be coming up at the ending of this month. So if you're someone that love hairs, or you, in short, you can pre-order with me and make huge amounts. There is money in hair business. So if you're this kind of person, go straight on my description icon. You'll see my group link. Join my hair group link and join and come and cash out. December is right the corner, so come and cash out. Look at this one. Oh God, I don't know the texture. I'll be dropping how they all look like on the screen. So that's just it. Once you get the once you've already copied the contact, you chat them up. The one on WeChat, you chat them up. Then the next thing we do is to ask them for their catalogs, kind of hair they have. Some also owns a group, they can add it to their group. Alright. Some owns a group, they can add it to their group. Then chicken out. Once they add it to their group, or some don't even own the group, they just tell you the prices and their catalog, and be viewing their status too. They post on their status on a regular basis. So it is both straight. It is very fine. So then once you chat them up, they'll give you their catalog. After all that, I'm opening up this video will be too long. Let me not just open the bag. Let me not be opening the video will be too long. I don't be dropping the hair we bought on the thing, so you see how the hair is like. Alright. Then you also guess how much did we get this hair. Guess in naira, guess in dollar. Okay. Or how much what? How much do you want? Let me know in the comment section. This one was fun. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. For buy this one for myself. I didn't even brush it, nothing, and it's giving me this beautiful vibe. Oh my God, this is, and it's full. I buy this one next time. So just add them up. Once you conclude and you select your hair, the next thing they will do now, the next thing they will just do is to give you, the next thing they will do is to give you means of payment. If it's Vietnam, they collect in dollar. If it's China, they collect in Vietnam, in yuan, sorry. So then if it's China, wow. So I'll show you how it looks like. So if it's China, they collect in yuan. If it's Vietnam, they collect in dollar. Then even if it's China, there's a supply contract that will drop that collects in naira. He will tell you. So then you pay. If it's Vietnam, you pay using an exchanger. Yes, exchanger. Then when you can also buy, I've dropped exchanger contacts. Go ahead and watch that video. Alright. So then that's all. Then you pay, you get it. Package your orders. The next thing now, you deliver, give them your shipping company address. You give them your shipping company address. Then they ship it, send it out. They have two levels of sending out. They have by sea, they have by hair shipping. Actually, hair is not it's not heavy. All right, so you can use by hair. Then you can also use by sea. Sea takes 2 to 3 months to arrive, while the hair is very fast, 5 to 7 days. Then it sells to your location. If you are, there are these things always in Lagos. If you're not in Lagos, you can tell them to waybill to your location. Like this, my owner, they waybill it to my location, but I'm not in Lagos, so it was waybill to my location. We tell them to waybill to your location. So once they waybill it, then you receive the hair. Just as simple as that. So if you also want to start your own, you can join my group and start. And even start this hair business without capital. Send the link and start. I go with this unboxing. Now let's go to the second one, unboxing. Actually, sorry, another one. So that's just all. Hit the like button if you've not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button. And if you have any other question, maybe I did not talk about, drop on the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Be there to answer all your questions. Be there to answer all questions. Be there to answer all questions. Oh my God, this little hat. This little hat. More. This is beautiful. I said this is pretty. It even fit my color. This is beautiful. Wow. I'm not even brushing. This is lovely. Alright guys, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.